Welcome to Health First, your daily boost for a stronger, healthier you. Let's dive in.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Health First. Today, we are diving into something super important for your long-term wellness, keeping those arteries clean and clear. Think of your arteries as the superhighways of your body, delivering vital nutrients. We want to make sure they stay in tip-top shape. So, let's explore 7 amazing foods that naturally help clean your arteries and support a healthy heart. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, we have delicious berries and other vibrant fruits. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and even apples and oranges. These powerhouses are absolutely packed with antioxidants. These incredible compounds work like tiny superheroes, protecting your artery walls from damage and inflammation caused by free radicals. So, go ahead and snack on some fruit. Your arteries will thank you. Next, let's talk about fatty fish, rich in those wonderful omega-3s. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. These aren't just tasty, they're fantastic for your heart. Omega-3 fatty acids are famous for their anti-inflammatory properties, which means they help reduce inflammation in your blood vessels, keeping them flexible and smooth. Aim for a couple of servings a week to give your cardiovascular system a real boost. Moving on to our third arterial cleanser, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These tiny treasures are full of soluble fiber and healthy fats. Soluble fiber is great for helping to control cholesterol levels by binding to it and helping remove it from your body. Plus, the healthy fats further support overall heart health. Just a handful a day can make a big difference. Our fourth category is a no-brainer: leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. Think spinach, kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are loaded with plant-based fiber, which is crucial for helping to scrub away plaque buildup in your arteries. They're also bursting with vitamins and minerals that support healthy blood flow. So load up your plate with these green powerhouses. For our fifth food, let's talk about healthy oils, especially olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple in many heart-healthy diets for a reason. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known for supporting healthy cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Choose high-quality olive oil for cooking and dressing your salads to get the most benefits. Next, we have whole grains and legumes. Oats, brown rice, quinoa, lentils, and beans are all fantastic choices. Their high fiber content not only helps with cholesterol management, but also plays a key role in stabilizing blood sugar. Steady blood sugar levels are vital for protecting your arteries from damage over time, keeping them strong and resilient. And finally, our seventh category, spices and garlic. Turmeric, ginger, cayenne pepper, and especially garlic are more than just flavor enhancers. Many spices have natural anti-inflammatory properties, and garlic is a superstar when it comes to boosting circulation and supporting overall cardiovascular health. Don't be shy about adding these vibrant flavors to your meals. Remember, these aren't magic pills, but they are simple, powerful changes that your arteries will absolutely love. Choose wisely, eat wisely, and stay strong. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Health First for more science-backed health tips to help you live your best life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.